to explain about that how we can validate the data. Means in a MS Excel how we can validation the data. Means that restriction, you know that means restriction, how we can put any type of restriction in the value which we have entered in the MS Excel. Now see here, data validation means data validation is used to restrict the type of data or the value that user enter a cell. Let us use the validation to restrict the data entry to the whole numbers between 0 and 100. Okay, this is the process how we can validate the data. Select the cell range, okay, this, and click on the data validation in the data tools group. Data validation dialog box appear. The setting tab is selected by the default. Okay, and this is the process how we can apply the data validation in the MS Excel, okay, in a sheet. Okay, today we are going to perform this by practical. Okay, how we can validate the data sheet. Okay, let us see that. I am going to open the MS Excels. You know that how to open the MS Excels. Okay, see here. Okay, we are going to minimize this window, and now we are going to open this. Okay, now see here, already. Okay, I'm going to open. Okay, see here this. Okay, now suppose that this is the your data. Okay, and if you want to validate this data, so first of all we have to how to do the validation. Okay, before that we have to click on the data over here, and in the data we choose the option, look here, that is called the data validation. Okay, see here, data validation means that when we click on this and we have to, okay, this is the button is called the data validation. Okay, now we can see here. Okay, you cannot see here, this here. Okay, now let's discuss about that. We have to click over here. When we click over here in data validation, see here, the choose the data validation. Okay, this dialog box will appear. Okay, now here we can set the value. Okay, here we can set the value whole number. Okay, and if you want to give the any ranges, means that suppose that you will give the minimum value 40 and maximum value 100. Okay, okay, now see here, minimum value 40 and maximum value. Okay, after that we have to give the error message. If you want to give the any type of error message, see here, this value can be given here error message. If the value is less than 40, then message will come that see the value not less than 40. Okay, okay, next, if that's, and we can set the, after that we have to click on the OK button. Okay, now, and we have already given that in the Excel sheet, that if the value is less than 40, it gives the display. If the value is more than 100, means 99, then it also give the message. Now see here, for example, this is the data we have already here. Okay, now we are going to test the validation is working or not. Okay, now if the value of physics is 80, okay, and we are going to set the value 20. Okay, means 20 means minimum value. Okay, now see here, this message has come, see the value not less than 40, because we have already set the value. This cell cannot accept the less than 40 value. Okay, now suppose that if you eat 50 value, okay, this is the not 50, okay, 41. Okay, and this is the minimum value. Okay, now see here, no message has been displayed. If we keep the 40 value, then also there is no message will display. If we enter 39, okay, and it is the less than the 40, the message will be displayed. Okay, now we can see the message. Okay, now next we are going to check the highest number. Means suppose that here we are going to click, okay, any value whatever. Suppose that we are giving the 100. Okay, see here, if you give the any value in here, it's working. But before that, whatever have to sell, we have selected the first cell. Okay, we have selected this one. To apply the validation, first of all we have to select the cells. Okay, before that I have already selected this cell, and so the value will not work on this cell because this cell is not selected while we are setting the validation. Okay, I have, okay, this I have selected over here. Okay, now here if I give the more than 100 value, 99, see here the message will come, see the value not more than 99. Okay, and if you give the 80, okay, here cancel it, and if you give the value, means here if you want to give the 50, okay, see here it will be accept. It will not take the more than 99 value and not less than 40 value. This is the way how we can validate. The validate means how we can restrict our value in a MS Excel. Okay, and next chapter we will discuss about that is called that is the adding subtotal in a database. We will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.